That's a nice sunset right there.
Yeah.
Just a red orb in the sky.
I mean, I don't know, maybe I'm wrong. So you feel like you got through an ordeal. Are like somewhat weak.
Welcome to Onwards and Upwards, everybody. Today we're hiking Mont Saint-Hilaire near Montreal in Quebec. So it's beautiful fall weather. Right now it's late October. So it's just the last chance to see these crimson leaves on the trees. All right, so we're just gonna jump this little river here. Oh, that was it's not terribly chill. It's up to you, man. I wasn't even filming though.
But I think you'll be fine.
Oh, you got it.
My foot is soaked. I like those 2 words together. It's like slightly disturbing.
So the leaves actually are quite orange. We're a little bit past the classic fall red. Beautiful lake here.
It's on the edge of a lake.
Wow, beautiful. So that's Mont Saint-Hilaire right there.
You'll look at your left foot. Oh, nice. So flat though. I mean, where we are. This ain't very flat. Ooh, you good? Probably food on my hand. Work. See, that's
All right, so we're at one of the peaks on Mont Saint-Hilaire. There's quite a lot of smog in the distance, but it's still a beautiful view. Montreal is basically fogged out, but you can see the tips of a few buildings over there. Alright, so we're on the main summit of Mont Saint-Hilaire, the highest point. Pretty nice view. That's a nice sunset right there. Just a red orb in the sky. Alright, so we just reached the end of the hike. It took us a while to get down, it's pitch black, but it was a really nice one. So if you're in the Montreal area, check out Mont Saint-Hilaire. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time on Onwards and Upwards.